What is BingX Copy Trading? Copy trading lets you mirror the trades of experienced traders automatically. On BingX, you can choose from thousands of verified traders, and every time they buy or sell, the same trade happens in your account. With over 11.4 million copy trading users already on BingX in 2025, many traders are seeing double and even triple-digit return on their investments in just 30 days of starting their positions. So, what are you waiting for? BingX also gives you AI-powered trader recommendations, transparent performance stats, and flexible copy modes so you can trade your way. How to start copy trading on BingX web and app. A step-by-step guide. Step 1. Set up your BingX account. Ensure you have a verified BingX account. Deposit USDT into your fund account. Note, USDT is currently the only supported margin currency for copy trading. Step 2. Navigate to the copy trading section and click on Spot Traders. You'll see a dashboard showcasing high-performing traders ranked by metrics like ROI, win rate, and follower count. Step 3. Review a spot trader's profile. Click on a trader to view detailed metrics, such as ROI over 30 or 180 days, account equity in USDT, win ratio, max drawdown, trading frequency, and historical P&L and strategy summary. Click the icon on any metric for definitions and explanation. Step 4. Tap Copy and configure settings on a trader's profile. Then click Copy to enter the settings page. There's also per order mode, set margin per order, and total copy trading funds. Ensure both meet the minimums. When settings are finalized, click Copy Now to activate the relationship. Step 5. Monitor in My Trades. Go to Copy Trading, then My Trades, and you'll see firstly the Overview tab shows today's earnings and total revenue. Then the Current tab lists open copy trades and allows you to edit or stop copying. 3. The History section shows closed trades and realized profits. Editing options let you adjust funds, margin per order. To cancel, tap Stop Copying. Active copy positions will close when the trader closes theirs. How to start copy trading on the BingX app. Step 1. Access the Copy Trading tab. Open the BingX app, tap on the Copy Trading icon in the bottom menu, and swipe to the Spot tab. Step 2. Browse and choose a trader. You'll see a list of traders ranked by performance. Tap on a profile to view updated stats every 30 minutes, ROI, win ratio, total profits copied, and trading activity and follower count. Tap Copy when you find the right trader. Step 3. Set your copying parameters. Select fund account, USDT, as your source. Choose a trade between 5 and 10,000 USDT. And review and agree to the 10% profit share. Tap Copy Now to begin copying. Step 4. Auto copy trades in real time. Your trades will now mirror the trader's spot buys and sells in real time. Only fully executed orders are copied for accuracy and transparency. Step 5. Monitor and adjust. In the My Trades, then Spot Copying section, you can view today's earnings and overall profit, track open and completed trades, and edit your settings or tap Stop Copying at any time. Your tokens remain in your wallet. Copy trade smarter with BingX AI. Struggling to choose the right trader to follow on BingX? With thousands of options, it's easy to feel lost. But BingX AI steps in. The smart tool matches you with traders who fit your goals, style, and risk tolerance while delivering real-time insights and market analysis. To use BingX AI chat, click the icon in the top right corner of the copy trading screen. Type questions like, what's the P&L of CryptoBox in the last 30 days? And how would you analyze this trader? BingX AI chat provides detailed trader analysis so you can make informed decisions. From filtering out hype to managing trades more confidently, BingX AI makes copy trading clear, faster, and smarter. Watch our latest video. The link's in the description. And that's it. Now you know how to get started with spot copy trading on BingX. Remember to start small, diversify, track performance often, and manage risk wisely. Done right, copy trading can fast-track your investing skills and growth without the constant market grind. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss our next lesson, where we'll dive into the futures copy trading and take your skills to the next level. I'll see you in the next lesson.